Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Move! Cruise! I knew you had something. And now look at you.
Our sight for star headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't...
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School.
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, go!
Hang in there, Poke. Holy, hurry up!
Dork Willie's build for today's great exhibition of speed.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
shouldn't have gotten them presents.
Mommy!
Side by side. Oh, it's lovely to pull the great express train.
Aha, laugh it up.
Spooklicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten.
Ed, you missed a spot. Start right there. In the hood, right there.
Pour it on.
Oh, you got me.
Opposite world, maybe that really means thank you.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Don't use oil, you twit.
Then you're faking it. You didn't convert to no electric.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
Exercise offer. So, you ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to live?
No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino. ¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
Care! Whoa! Don't see that every day, huh, Chug?
Yep, Dusty. An engine that powerful.
What do you have at your store?
Tires?
And if no one can get to you?
I won't sell any.
All these years, it's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks.
Final season. Chick Hicks was poised to be crowned the new king of Dynaco.
Trip, we gotta drive it ourselves. Take our time. But wander the back roads. Maintenance. and my mama is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama!
Are you also tense? It's voice activated. Did I forget to mention that it can only be...
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
Responding. Where's Mitch? Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mainan.
Did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
For you, I'd quit yapping and start working. Hook 'em up, Mater.
Okie dokie.
Hey, look at my husband, y'all. Whoo, that's your color.
Yellow, baby.
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you